Hi guys, today's lesson we're going to look at triplets. Let's get into it. Okay then guys and girls, so what is a triplet? Basically a triplet is a group of 3 notes. So generally the time signature for this would be in 3/4. So you've got 3 notes making up each phrase and you've got 4 phrases per bar. Okay? So I'll show you the music now and then I'll do a demonstration of me playing it for you. Okay, right then, so this is the music for triplets. I've wrote it out all on the snare drum. As you can see over this side, the time signature is in 3/4. You can tell that triplets because you get a little 3 with a bracket over the top of the notation. So the sticking for this is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So there's 2 ways of counting this. I prefer the one that I've written out, which goes 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. But you can go 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, depending on which is the best for you and how you choose to count it. So a triplet's in like a swung style, so it's very smooth, very precise, but it makes you want to move, as you'll see later. It's sort of, when you're playing it, think of like a shuffle rhythm, and then that will help you get to where you need to be in terms of playing it. Okay, so enough of me talking, so let's get into playing. Okay guys, so as I said, we'll start with the right hand lead. As with all the stuff we do, also practice starting with your left as well. So I play it nice and slow, and remember it's got like a swung feel to it. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. And now we'll do the same, but we'll go left hand lead. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So now with these, to help it give that swing sort of feel, a lot of people like to accent the first of each group of 3 phrases. So you do an accent on the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Okay, so let's have a look at how that sounds. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. And now with a left hand lead. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So now we're going to pick it up a little bit faster for you guys. As with everything, as I said, as I normally say, play along with a metronome. I would be doing this with a metronome if I could, but the phone I'm using to record this has my metronome on. So I'll try and stay as close as I can to the tempo that I start off in. Okay. So a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Left hand lead. Okay, so you're still trying to get that swinging kind of sound. Okay, so you're going for that sort of jazzy kind of feel. Just because I say it's a jazz kind of feel doesn't mean to say you can't use it in rock. You can, and people do, and a lot of people do use it in rock. It forms one of the basics for some of the best fillings in the world, and it's very easy to throw them in there and just change up the feel. So it's very noticeable when people do use them. So yeah, it's definitely something we need to practice. Okay, so I'm going to go a little bit quicker. And left hand lead. And left hand lead. Okay, now we're going to try and go a little bit quicker again. And left hand lead. Okay, so I'll slow it down again for you. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2. So now we're going to have a look at the notation for 16th note triplets. Right, okay guys and girls, so 16th note triplets. So once again, we're all on the snare drum, but you can see, one, the amount has doubled. Rather than 3 per phrase being quavers, we now got semi-quavers, so you need 6. So you've got 2 groups of 3 in each set of phrasing. Now, I've actually left this off, but you should have the 3 over the top with the bracket as well. Okay, so you've got your snare drum, all on your snare drum. Sticking for this is right, left, right, left, right, left. The counting for this changes a little bit. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some people do go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I find it's a little bit harder to keep in your head and keep saying, bear in mind everything else that you're doing. So I generally just stick to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have accented the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4, so the first beat of every group of 6, just to give you an idea of, so when we're learning it, you know where we are with the phrasing. Okay, so enough for me, let's get into it and see how it sounds. And left hand lead. So you're still keeping that swung sort of feel. Okay, so once again, right hand lead. I'll do it a little bit slower this time with the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now left hand lead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If when you're doing it, you keep, when you're singing it out, if you keep that sort of swing pattern as you're saying it, it will help with your hands getting that swing pattern as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gives you that nice melodic sound. Okay? So a little bit quicker. And left hand lead. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to accent each group. I'm going to take each group of 3 and accent the first note, okay? So you'll be accenting on the 1 and the 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hand slips off. So we'll start off last again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So once again, so we'll start off slow, end up fast, and then we'll bring it back down again. As with all these, as I keep saying in all my lessons, have fun with them, move them around the kit. These are great as fillings around the toms, so for every group of 3 on the tom. So snare, tom 1, tom 2, tom 3. It sounds really nice as you're moving around the kit, and also a 16th note, so you do 6 on every drum. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 6, as you move them around. Okay. I will go into more depth in these in the future. I will put bass drums with them, accenting different parts, building up fillings and that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please comment down below and let me know what you thought. If you have any questions at all, I may be about moving them around the kit, anything like that, once again please let me know. If any of you have any lessons that you want me to go over, if you've got any ideas of something you want me to teach you, please let me know in the comments, and I'll endeavour to get those done for you. And yeah, so just take these away, take them to your kit and have a lot of fun. Okay, goodbye.